So I was having my morning vape, and then these guys showed up. Hey, over here, I got a nice thing of bread. Look at that. You see the bread. You're eyeing the bread. You want the bread. The bread is yours. I got a big old plate of bread. You can devour this bread. Check it out. Check it out. 1 second here. Let me break off a piece of bread here. Whew. Let the fighting begin. There you go. Well, take it easy. Take it easy. Hey, there's enough for everyone. There's one for you too. And then the new guy came in. They all started quacking at him. I don't know about you. Look at you, just jacked his piece. Here, you have that piece then. Oh no, there's another bird coming in. He thinks he can get a bite of piece. Watch this. They're gonna freak out. They're gonna lose their shit on that bird. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, he jacked it. He jacked it. He's out. So yeah, these are all male ducks. All a crew here. Oh, oh. They're a little gay for each other. It wasn't the bread, they were just getting it on. Hey, you. Hey, you. It's a good day to be a duck. Unless you're in Chinatown. One thing I'd like to do is I'd like to get a boom mic so I can get a better concentration on the whatever you call it. Hey. And I'd like to get a better camera too. I do have a pretty shitty camera. So eventually I'll get a better camera. Uh-oh. Somebody's mad about a spoon and using it. Get more bread here. Hey, bread. Guys, I'm gonna get closer to you, mind? Can I get closer to you? Here, I'm gonna get closer. Check it out. No, don't go away. Don't go away. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, here's a piece. What? I got a whole thing right there. Look at that. If you can come get that, that's super awesome. Well, now you're just showing me your ass. Thanks a lot, buddy. Now you're showing your ass to me, too. You're all showing me your ass. Anyway, baby metal tomorrow. I'm going to get a new phone today because my phone died, and then my driver's license, and yeah, should be pretty good. Don't smile. All right, don't know. I said no smile. I said no smiling. Okay.
Wait a minute. Shut up. Quit it. Okay. Serious face. You mean fucking business here. We don't fuck around. Shut up. Quit laughing. Okay. Come on! You're the one that starts laughing! Don't... Just do it. Okay. Good! Okay. Finally! So we're gonna see... We're gonna see how... It better work, because I'm not going through that bullshit again. Come on. God damn it! Son of a bitch! Let's just do one of you. Your eyes were shut. My eyes were shut. Good fit. I'm not surprised. Stupid face the last minute. Oh, I can do it to myself. Yes, do yourself your picture. Do it.
Just kind of Do it now!
The seriousness is strong.
It's because I'm trying to line up properly here, and you're
up properly. Don't worry about it.
move the gun. I can even see my face, so I can actually plan how it's sitting because of that.
Okay.
Well, it's because I'm off center a bit.
Okay.
Would you move the phone? I was like, I saw my face in the phone in the Wii, in the 3DS, and it was weird. And now I've got that face because you were messing around. But now it's in better light, so it might.
See how we get.
How does he get that from that? I don't.
It's not as funny as the previous picture, but it's still pretty darn good. Did a bunch of things today. Won't be seeing Baked Jesus for a while. And we had the Baked Jesus face reveal because fuck it. So yeah, I just offered to give this guy my Mass Effect trilogy collection because there was some random guy buying a game at EB Games and I was there and I was just like, I don't play games anymore. Why not just give him the game?
He's already giving me his 3DS, even though I actually paid for $80 for it already. But
yeah, but that wasn't the full price, and now I'm just giving it to you. Hey, and guess what?
I'm so unhappy there. I'm happy there. What the hell is that about?
This is right here. This is.
Oh, you're just giving me that too?
Have it. Give it back to me. I have it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ow.
Don't hurt yourself.
Just stop throwing DS games at me. Holy shit! Ow, that actually really hurt.
They're all yours. Except for that one. That one's mine.
Okay. What's that one up there? Oh, it's a Vita game. That's a Vita game. No, I don't need that. I can't.
It's yours.
I can't play that. I can't. If you're gonna sell these, then you're gonna want to take better care of them.
I don't think I'm gonna sell them because they're already in your hands. You own all of those now.
But I don't want the Vita one.
Now you own the Vita one.
But I don't need. I don't even need. I don't need the Vita one.
It's your Vita.
But I don't have. But it doesn't even work.
Do you want the Vita? I don't have it. I gave it away.
Well, then there's no point in giving that. Where'd the other one go? You're gonna want that. The now revealed. Incredibly high Jesus.
Big Jesus right here with me. He's right here. He's right here. And I don't know, just because it's not like not doing video games anymore. And
Right.
Fuck it. What happens to people when they mess around with me? They get the weed spray. Oh, all those games. Hey. Weed.
That wasn't weed.
Weed.
That wasn't weed.
Weed.
That's not even weed.
Weed.
It's not weed though. Like that's not weed. It's literally not weed. You'll be surprised to know
Hey, what's going on up here?
that this is actually just a
Right here. So,
that is just a shit ton of catnip you just dumped all over the place.
Hey Zelda, I hope you like video games.
Anyway, and then you can go nuts. So
Watch it, Nick.
well, stop dumping it on them. I'm trying to clear the thing out, not Get more in it.
Okay.
You put the bag down.
Okay. You know, for someone who's getting a bunch of free games, you're not very grateful.
Oh, I'm grateful. Just stop pouring catnip on it. Jesus, it's on my sweater too. I'm going to smell like... I'm going to smell...
It's so unusual for me to just throw catnip around.
Yeah. Yeah?
Do you like it?
No.
Do you want me to do it more?
No.
I'll do it often.
No, please don't. Alistair, no. I've already got it all out of the box. No more catnip in the box, please.
Wait. Okay. See this catnip?
Get it away from me. Like, now Metroid Prime Pinball is gonna smell like freaking catnip.
That's not...
Hunters.
That's Hunters.
Holy shit. There's catnip like caught between all of these.
God damn it. This
Can
is
you like brush that off of me, please?
catnip on you.
I wonder why. I wonder why.
Oh no! What did I do? There's catnip in your headphones. There's catnip in your headphones. Dude, I broke your headphones with catnip.
Oh look, it's your it's that card you dropped.
Oh! I found my card! Catnip was the answer!
Oh boy.
Right there. Catnip.
You lost your SD card and catnip revealed the way.
Don't go! Don't go! Don't you want the catnip?
No, I don't. See?
Oh. Oh. Dun dun.
Come with me, Zelda. Come with me if you want to live. Come with me if you want to live. I have catnip.
Shit. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun.
Oh my. Keep it away from me. Fuck off with your catnip. I'm watching his back. I'm watching my own back.
How can you watch your own back?
I'm watching you because I know I have a fully open hood to dump catnip into, and I'm not letting you do it.
Okay. Catnipped! Don't you leak that on the floor. That's going to take hours to clean up.
Well, then you already dumped some.
So what? No, I mean, like... Okay, I'll take this then.
There's catnip in it. I can't use it now. Just don't put catnip.
They're gonna know, man. They're gonna know it's not catnip, man.
If you dumped the catnip out of that bag, I actually wouldn't use it.
Okay. Zelda, you're gonna have a field day. A field day of catnip. Zelda, I've given you all the catnip. I'm gonna have to clean that up.
You got a lot more to clean up than just that bit.
I know. I just gave him a bunch of catnip.
Gave her and a
I gave you
a bunch of catnip and a 3DS.
Yes. I gave him a bunch of catnip and a 3DS. He did not like the catnip, but I loved it.
Because you're high as fuck from the catnip. Oh god, your face. You are high from the catnip.
Zelda.
What's going on? Zelda? Cat? Zelda? Don't do that. Zelda! Alright, so it's nighttime, end of the day today. Woke up, got my driver's license.
Nice weather, eh?
Oh yeah, it's the best weather.
Love thunder, lightning.
Yeah, so I got my driver's license, I got a new phone. This is the one I'm filming on right now. Probably use it for the smaller stuff. And when I'm at home, I'll probably use a bigger camera. Unless I'm going on a trip like the Baby Metal concert. Anyway, that was the day. I want to accomplish more in the day. Hey, this is my mom. We're just going for a midnight walk in the rain.
Just got off work. Wanted to spend some time with my son. With the thunder beams, the lightning beams. They're far greater than we are.
Sure, whatever she says. Alright, see you later. Little Pumpernickel out.